Hello, here you are in the Nakisa HR Suite Administrator training. Please note this video is part of a series of training videos that we have created to enable our clients to be proficient in the admin console of the Nakisa HR Suite. So the topic of this video specifically will focus on modifying the default field captions. So the objective here is to showcase how to modify certain employee field captions that appear within the employee details page. So what are these captions? You will notice that in both the front end and back end of the application, many buttons and icons display captions when hovering over them to indicate their function or they provide an additional information. Also, a lot of pop-ups that appear within the application display these captions that are modified in the admin console. For example, you will be required to replace certain terms in the application if you use different ones within your organization. Let's assume the HR business partner in your company has asked you to change the employee field name from potential to talent rating within the details page of the employee object, as talent rating is the term referred to internally within the organization. This change would make it easier for their users to identify the field without any more confusion. So what you have on the left hand side is the employee details page with the potential field, and the right hand side contains the same field which is renamed to talent rating. Now let's jump into the admin console and see how to make these caption changes. Within the admin console of the Nakisa HR Suite, let me select Application Settings drop-down in the left side menu panel. So within the drop-down, let me select General Settings. As you can see here, within the General Settings page, there are a number of sections that appear. Now I would need to select the Caption Editor. Within the Caption Editor, I can see the Edit Captions option, which I'm going to select now. Now I would need to search for the caption that I would need to modify. So let me search for potential and let me hit enter. So once I identify the caption that I would need to edit, let me select the edit icon that you could see, and then let me rename it to talent rating. And once I've renamed it, please go ahead and select the save option. After you hit save, the term potential is renamed to talent rating within the employee details page of the Nakisa HR Suite. Also, please note that you would need to modify other captions so that the term potential is renamed to talent rating within various places within the front end of the application. So, having said that, there are other important information that I would want to provide. Please note that you would also need to modify the captions for each of the languages that you've enabled within the application. Also, within the search option, please use the caption only, preferably as the option that's available, and then you could search for the caption that you would want to change. And you can also enable the modified only checkbox to quickly search for the various captions that you modified within the application. To summarize, in this training video, we've seen how to use the caption editor to modify the different captions that appear within the front end of the application. Thank you.